In Reaper, there are two forms of grouping: track grouping and item grouping. Let's go over track grouping first. I'm going to select a couple tracks here. Hold down the Shift key while you select them, then go to the track menu and make sure that track grouping is enabled. Then go to track grouping parameters. In here, you can choose which parameters you want to group. I'm just going to go for volume for the master and the slave, the pan, and let's say the solo. Okay, and click close. You'll see that these sort of red lines are around the group tracks now, on the solo, the pan, and the volume. You see that when you move one of the group parameters, they all move. All three group tracks are going to the left on the pan there, and to the right. When you solo one, they all solo. And that's track grouping for you. You can change the look of these group tracks. If you go to Reaper, Preferences, and then under Appearance, you have track grouping indicators. You got ribbon, which you currently have, lines on edge, and none, if you don't want to see any red lines around the group tracks. Let's just try lines on edge. Click Apply and OK. And you can see it looks a bit different than the ribbons. You got these red lines under the parameters. I quite like lines on edge, so I'm going to leave it on that. Track grouping comes very handy in the mixing stage. Say you've got all your drums levels right, but you want to raise the level of the drums as a whole. Group the tracks like we've done, and you can easily just move one fader to change the overall volume for the tracks. Now let's see what item grouping is. Select a few items again, select the first item, then hold down Shift and select another, and it will select all the items in between. Then go to Item, Group, and Group Items. You'll see that the shortcut is G. A little group icon will appear above these items, showing that these items are grouped together. And if you move one item, you'll see that it moves them all. You can disable grouping with the toolbar grouping icon. Over here, that'll disable it, and now when you move the item, it just moves by itself, not the others. Then group it again, and then they'll all move. You can also remove these items from the group. Just select them all. Go to Item, Group, and remove items from group. You'll see that the little chain icon has disappeared off the items. Item grouping is handy if you want to move multiple items around in the arrangement, instead of moving each item separately. And grouping these items together allows for less error when moving them around in the arrangement. Right, that's grouping for you. See how it works in your projects. In the next tutorial, I'll go over takes and comps.